Hello, this is Dong from Colorlight, and today let me introduce our CS series product, the media server. We can see here is our first one, 1616K, and this one can output 16 resolution video source. And here is our second one, the CS20 8K Pro. This one can output 8K resolution video source, and also if your screen's resolution is exceed the 16K, we can multiply our 8K Pro together to do the project. Finally, it's our CS4K Pro and the newest product, CS4K G2. This two is it's mainly for the middle or the small project. So all our CS media server can meet all the needs you need. And also, all of this media server can support our own software, Show. It's a very powerful software to play the content and can do the playlist, the timeline, has many powerful functions. That will meet all the needs your project in around the world.